Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to explain my before presentation about my high fidelity prototype. So my name is Fathan Rasi Muhammad. My matric number H1EC4045. I'm from section 7 and I am team 5. I will explain about UTM Counseling Center Management System. So what is the the project background behind this project is UTM Counseling Center mostly has manual service to its client, whether for counseling or psychology tests. Also, for the registration, they still use paper-based biodata form, which is very tiring for the clients. Also, they need staffs to send the test results manually to clients' contact number, even though the calculation for test result has automation by Google spreadsheet system. And then what is the objectives of this project? So first, making the integrated application that provides all of the counseling services regarding the registration, consultation, and test. And then the second, so reducing the amount of pages for registration to faster the process. And then the third is providing convenient user interface in the test and counseling. And then fourth, faster the process of psychology tests, especially when clients have submitted the file and gotten the results immediately. So this is our overall UI flow. So firstly, we have the the registration. So the user can choose to log in or create new account. So if client uh, create new account, so they will uh, fill the view data form or scan the QR code, and then in here we have the menu pages. So in menu pages there is a profile button, and then the appointment button, also the psychology test button, and then the video conferencing button. And then this is our overall physical DFD to be. We have four process in here, and then we have four entity. First is clients, which is will interact with registration and appointment, also the psychology test, and then they will get the consultation result from the consultation process. And then there is a counselors, which is will conduct the consultation, and then they will get the client details and then appointment details. And then for the API, they they don't give they don't get any data flow, but they will send the video conferencing features and room number to the application, especially in consultation. And then counseling center just will tell the room number if the clients want to conduct the meeting face to face or physically. And then this is my individual module for registration process. So first thing is there is a sign up for uh, new account. The user can choose if they have account, so they can proceed to log into an account. Both of these are manual, and then if the user log into an account or manual, so system firstly will verify the account will with the data that exists in the account records. If the account will verify it, so the user uh, can directly proceed into the menu pages, and then if they click the profile button, so they can change client information or delete client's information. And if the the client is newcomer to application, so they will first fill the biodata form. They can choose uh, they can choose whether they want to scan the barcode from student card or fill the online form manually. If they choose the scan the barcode, so the client will has the the convenient the convenient service. So after the client scan the barcode, so the system will copy the client information au- automatically, and then in the end all of the data will be stored in client details record. This is my process specification. Why I use decision tree? Because I think my module is based on the decision will while the decision can make the branching, which is each branch is not related to each other. So I think for example, if the the user is new, so he must sign up. If the user has already the account, so they can log in. So different scenario for every branching. So that's why I choose decision tree rather than other techniques. My self-reflection is for the experience. I gain knowledge how to build the project by follow the SDLC, and then I can implement the ideas and solution into the data flow diagram. So the system design will be easier to construct, and then I can know how to make UI design, and then I can make my own prototype based on data flow diagram and process specification. And then relation from my Fidelity prototype to SAD is I make the prototype based on the logical DFD concept, which is has manual and automated system. And then I follow the guideline how to make good UI design by focus on basic objectives, easy to use, efficient, and provide feedback users. Now it's time to the demo of the prototype. So in here there is the the login pages in the initial of the application. So if the user has already has the account, so they can just proceed into uh, into the application. So they will proceed into the menu pages. But what if the the client uh, has what if the client is the newcomers? So so the client the client will choose the create new account, and then so the client create the account, like this. Then this is the password. So after that, the client must conduct the registration. So if the client use manual online form, so they will fill the form like this, and then we can submit the picture in here. For example, the picture is this, and then we can submit. After that, the the file is submitted. But what if the the client want to scan the QR code? For example, here, if the client, firstly the client scan the QR code and then scan successful, there is a feedback to the client, and they can proceed into the menu. And then there is another features, which is we can click the profile, and then we can see the result from the registration. So if the client want to change information, so just click in here. So in the change profile, the user can change the data in here. And they can change the picture, and they can proceed to submit. And then there is feedback profile change. And then if we click the profile again, and we want to delete all of the information, so we just scan like this. So this notification, the profile deleted. So the system prompt user to do the new registration. So just click in here, and then the pages will be changed into the initial choose registration type. Then the user can make the new online form again, or student card barcode. So that's all from me. I can explain about the my high fidelity prototype. Thank you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.